Kasolka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance menta katayo kalawan ra yakamang tengka jung kasnem arajar arpaway arajar arpawar hakaba kajing penlut ka kambun banyak kajing penmi bisa. Katkum kani kamang tengka kesorkar kalamang banyak lum katsan hajar arspa andriu pawar klor tengka bat kajing penlut pat kalong kat andriu hajar praspa lai pawar klor tengka kabapen i ba kajing penlut katam da shi hajar sanspa nyu paw klor tengka. Ya kani kamang tengka jung kejela lawan rak dau menteri rangba ukan rat kongkal sangma hakador bahar mang tengka men hakasngi balang jung katayung. Habakran mat pang ya kamang tengka menteri rangba ulayatu baka jing yo lum khajana leng baki wei pat kilat kan long ar hajar arspa nyo po nyo klur tengka kabamut baka jing yo lum kan long khat nyo hajar sanspa khandai klur tengka. Hendrai hakajing penlut pan nalor ka khat riu hajar praspa lai po ar klur tengka kabayo leng baki khajana kan don ru kajing penlut kabalai hajar riu spa sau po nyo klur tengka hakiwei pat kibenta. Habakran halo kajing long jingman kapisa tengka hakajalla ukan rat uyatu bakajing ai khajna jung kasokar pedeng sakajalla kaladuna bha nakabenta kasnam arajar arpaway namar kajing len shop ka klam COVID-19. Uyatu bakajing mang tengka kalakon san hajar khandai spa khandai po khandai klur kat bakajing mang thamai kalong saw hajar arspa nyo klur tengka kabaduna hatu shi hajar nyo spa khandai po ar klur tengka. Uang bawat hapedeng kini kejing tuna kesorkar kalala ban penyat bahaya ke pelatengka batla ban pendap ya kejing don kam habaro kita nak terekam. Ukon rat upentip ba kejing mang ya ke khajana ba ada kesorkar pedeng nak benta kesnam arajar arpaway arajar arpawar kalong kabadon jingkermen bha haba pentip bakat kum kakai pot mang tengka ba sansnam jong ke 15th Finance Commission bala IT sa kesorkar pedeng ke commission kalamang hadu lai pau khandai hajar khat ar klur tengka sa ke jela bakentup ya ke central tax ke ba lai pau ar hajar south pa lai klur tengka ke revenue gap grant lai hajar sispa lai punyo klur tengka bat ke grant sa ke district council Nyau spa kat wei klur tengka nalor ke health grant kaba lai spa kat wei klur tengka bat ka disaster management grant kaba sau spa lai klur tengka. Nalor kini ki khajana ban yo na kasorkar pedeng ukan rat upentip ba kasorkar jela kala shimru ya kasenjam ban kentiu ya la ka jong ka jinglum khajana. Uyathu bahakani ko financial year bamenta ke jinglum khajana jong kasorkar kanthop ke GST compensation lakmi inti bakan kon ar hajar arspa khatlai klur tengka kabakeu hadu khatwei na kashispa naka snem mang tengka ar hajar khat khandai ar hajar arpho ka khajna na kakian jongka snem ar hajar arphowei lakmi linti bakan kot laispa sanpho klur tengka kabakeu hadu arpho nyo na kashispa na kasnem balala Namar kini ukon rat ulapen paw ya kejing sengus kem ba kejinglum khajna jong kejela kan kiu bha hakasnem arajar arphaway arphawar ya kabala antat bakan kiu arhajar sanspa nyopo khandai klur tengka bat rios pa khandai posau klur tengka naga khajna kabala tip kum ka tax but non tax revenue
have affected quite badly because of COVID, and the overall taxes from Government of India, there was a decrease of almost 1700 crores in our share of central taxes from the budget estimate to the actual amount that came to us. Even in terms of our own state revenue, we have seen a large dip of almost about 24% in terms of the non-tax revenue that the state used to get. But we have seen a slight increase in the state taxes as well as the excise amount that we received. So those were the only areas where we managed to gain a bit and a bit in the GST. But overall, we have seen that almost close to 2,500 crores of impact has been there on the taxes of the state, which has affected a large amount of development works. But we're hopeful that in this financial year, things should be far better compared to the last financial year, which is the current one going on right now. Budget for 2021-22 was presented in the assembly, and the basic salient features of the budget is that the total expenditure or the total size of the budget is 17,603 crores for the next financial year. Out of this expenditure, 13,956 crores will be for revenue expenditure, and 3,647 crores is capital expenditure.
Kador bar mang tengka mentakata yo kala thanamba hakajing yata yaki kam jong katanat boarding bat kajing penlip boarding jong MEECL kabakta jurya ka jela. Kene kamat kalami hakajing yata yak special motion hakaba kalyang persya kala thalanting yak sorkar halo kajing bamla ban pinbiang yak kajing don kam boarding ka jela. Kajing yata kala khruj bha hadin ba unong yalam kalyang persya ulakan tho ba kajing baru hapo ke MEECL bat katanat boarding kilami hadin ba shimti ukwanrat ke sangma kup menteri rangba ka jela bat James PK sangma kup menteri katanat ke kam boarding. Haba jubab yakani Menteri Rangba ulat her kelai ke Kongres bat ong baki jing kimi tang namar ke jing te kular jong ke sorkar bat ke National Thermal Power Commission hakas nam arajar hinyo baki jela ke hap ban mat yaki jing penlip boarding electric ni ke load shedding. Ukonrat ulaong baki NTPC kala pentri kam yaki kendon jong ke ni ke soskular ke balapan bor yaki jela ban hapsiu hadu katwe kelur tingka shibenai sa ke NTPC wat la ke jela kam sim na thiet boarding naka nalo ke jing khang lente yaki jela bakan thiet boarding na kiwe ki company boarding. Uang bakat kum ke ni ke soskular kamutru baki jela Meghalaya ke daiban siu shispa lai pholai kelur tingka sa ke NTPC hadu kasnam arajar sau phosau. Halor kini kecingnya kawang kete, kalami kecingnya tai ke bakrut bah, hapadeng unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma, bat Menteri Rangba kejela Ukonrat Sangma hakasngi palai jong katayo.
So I would like to inform the House that this agreement was signed in 2007, when the honourable member also was a minister in that government. And I just don't understand how the government of Meghalaya could put Meghalaya government and the people of the state in such a difficult position of signing a one-sided, lopsided agreement where we don't take any power from NTPC, yet we have to pay them 11 crores. Who will sign an agreement like that? And who will sign an agreement where you're allowing NTPC to stop supply of power from other power companies, even though we're not taking power from them? How can any government put their people in a position like this? I don't understand, sir. And today this mess has been created from 2007. And the people of the state and this government and MECL is having to bear the brunt of this.
This is a standard agreement approved by Government of India. Standard agreement. Every state signs this. Every state, not just Meghalaya, every state. And what does it say? That if we are going to establish this power station, which is a thermal power station in Northeast, that was the collective offshoot of a collective engagement. At Bongaigaon, in Northeast, who will be the beneficiaries? The beneficiaries will be Northeastern states. And what does the Electricity Act say? That after the beneficiary states are given the allocation, the generation company will retain certain percentage of the total power generated, which will be allocated by Government of India to any state who is in crisis. Whenever we are in crisis, we always used to write to Government of India to allocate any of the power which is not allocated to any beneficiary state.
Kayeng dol bar thawan ke jala hakasin kong jong katayo kalayatai halor kalong kaman jong ke jingdawa pentri kam yak inline permit na ka sarkar India lengbaga 0 hour notice balawan ra daw MLA ka Congress na nongpo uba Miral Bonds im uneu MLA ulawan ra yak ni kamat da ka jing sokhya halor ka khubor ka bakadaw yak jing kendu badang shen hapadang menteri katanat kampo yeng ka sarkar India Amit Shah bat menteri rangba ka jala ukonrat ke sangma lambat usembut Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tensong. Katkum ka khubor laong bau Amit Shah ulam menjur banyak keren yikimat ke biadai bat ke Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act bat kiarna ke banyak keren yak inline permit. Uniu MLA kaliang persya ula penpaw ya shibun jingdon kam ban pentre kam yak ILP ha ka jala haba penpaw ru yak jing sosi ban yo i ki khubor ba ka sarkar India ka phajet ka sarkar jala la ka kwa da ka ILP ne da ka kharnit ka ba hendriu Habajubab yakanikaman Menteri Rangba kejala ukonrat ke sangma ulong bakasor ka jala kalasim kya halo kejingdawa penteri kami ke ILP ha kejala bat kala penlong ye kejing kendu bapher bat baro kebiaduan benta banyak keren yakani. Upentep bakasor ka jala kalayai persang banyak keren bat kesorkat India bahkan menjurno ya kejingdawa hendrai haduk menta kamsim patlalong kam bat kadang yai apsa yau Amit Shah baun a ya kalat ya keren.